In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use template in Milanote 2026. Step by step. Templates are the fastest way to turn a blank space into a clear plan, and by the end, you'll know how to choose the right one, make it your own, and share it with the people who need to see it. Start by opening Milanote. From the dashboard, create a new board by selecting New Board. Instead of starting from scratch, switch to the Templates option. You'll see a gallery broken into helpful categories, so you're not guessing what to use. You're picking a structure that's already tuned for the kind of work you're doing. Browse the categories and choose a template that matches your goal. If you're planning posts, look at content planning. For visual direction, try a mood board. If you're mapping scenes, a storyboard is perfect. Project planning works well for timelines and deliverables, and writing templates give you a clean place to draft. Click any template to open a preview. Take a moment to scan the sections and imagine where your own content would live. If it looks right, move forward. If not, back out and try another until it fits. When you found the one, click Use this template. Milanote will create a fresh board from it automatically, so you can start working immediately without affecting the original. Now make it yours. Replace the placeholder text with your own titles and descriptions. Drop in your images to bring the board to life, or swap out any examples you don't need. Remove entire sections that aren't relevant so you're not distracted later. Think of this as your working file. The cleaner and more specific it is, the faster you'll move. Begin adding your content. Capture ideas as they come, list tasks that need doing, jot down notes so decisions don't get lost, and attach files you'll reference like briefs, screenshots, or PDFs. Keeping everything in one place turns the board into a single source of truth for your project. Adjust the layout to match how you think. Drag sections around to group related items. Add columns if you need more stages, or delete columns to simplify. Aim for a layout that feels obvious at a glance. If you can scan it in a few seconds and know what's next, you've nailed it. If you'll reuse this setup, do the pro move. Finalize your ideal structure, then duplicate the board. That copy becomes your personal template for future projects, saving you time every time you start. And when you're ready to collaborate, hit share and send it to your team or clients. Choose the access that fits, and you're done.